as the successor for the Mi 6 phone from last year. The Mi 8 has arrived as the most powerful Snapdragon 845. Also, it blessed with amazing dual rear cameras and a display that offers a huge screen space. The Xiaomi Mi 8 is the first phone from the company to feature a notched display that offers an aspect ratio of 18.7 by 9. The backside of the phone is made out of glass that has a unique water drop arc design. It features a 7000 series aluminum frame. The device measures 7.6 mm thick. The dimensions of the phone are equivalent to a 5.5-inch smartphone, which makes it suitable for one-handed use. The color variants of the Xiaomi Mi 8 include black, blue, white, and gold. The Mi 8 is fitted with a Super AMOLED screen that produces Full HD Plus resolution. It delivers a screen-to-body ratio of 88.5%. The AMOLED display is equipped with features like support for DCI-P3 color gamut, 6 and up to 600 nits of brightness. The notch present at the top of the display comprises of a 20-megapixel front-facing camera, proximity sensor, earpiece, infrared lighting, and infrared lens. The advanced facial recognition feature has been dubbed as Infrared Face Unlock, which indicates that it will offer better facial recognition than other Android phones with Face Unlock feature. However, it won't be as advanced as the iPhone X's Face ID that offers 3D facial scanning. Hence, the Xiaomi Mi 8 also features a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. The Snapdragon 845 chipset powered Xiaomi Mi 8 is the first smartphone to break average benchmarking score. The handset recorded a stunning score of 301,472 on Antutu. The 64GB, 128GB, and 256GB storage editions of the phone, respectively, feature 6GB of RAM. The handset receives power from 3400 mAh battery. The handset is pre-installed with Android 8.1 Aria that is skinned with the latest MIUI 10. In terms of photography, the Xiaomi Mi 8 features a wide-angle 12-megapixel primary sensor with f1.8 aperture and 1.4 micron pixel size, and a secondary 12-megapixel sensor with f2.4 aperture. The dual cameras offers features like 4-axis optical image stabilization, optical zoom, and dual-pixel autofocus. It is packed with some exciting AI features for photography. The studio lighting portrait photography, which enhances the appeal of the subject to appear like a celebrity. The dual rear cameras also offer AI scene detection and video editing. In DxOMark mobile photography platform, the Mi 8 has salvaged highest score of 105 for photo shooting, and its overall DxOMark score is 99. The Xiaomi Mi 8 is the world's first smartphone to come with dual GPS dual. This helps in reducing inaccuracies in GPS tracking caused due to interfaces like buildings and signal delays. As for the price, the 64GB, 128GB, and 256GB of the Xiaomi Mi 8 are respectively priced at 2,699 yuan, $421, 2,999 yuan, $468, and 3,299 yuan, $515. The pre-orders of the phone have started from today in China. Its shipment will begin from June 5th. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.